got lungs and know to do it.
Oh, here's Patrick.
I'll scoot back. I'm the program manager at the Olive View Community Mental Health Urgent Care Center, and I have been challenged by Latina Jackson from West Valley Mental Health Center to do the NAMI Walks Ice Bucket Challenge. It has been renamed for this particular purpose. NAMI is an organization that does some amazing programs here at the Olive View Urgent Care and across the county to really provide supports and resources for consumers and for family members that are experiencing persistent mental illness. And it's a great opportunity for folks to be able to engage each other in the community and provide supports for each other. So I'm really proud to be able to assist in helping in any way I can to do this. Before this takes place, first thing to know is that I have been, this was actually an auction, and so some people not only purchased the right to do this to me, I think they like me, but I'm not sure. In addition to doing this right now, I would like to call out and formally challenge already Dina Dutton and Lisa Wong. Dina is my colleague at San Fernando Mental Health Center. Lisa is my boss. This could be bad for my future and my career, but I'm willing to do it. I'd also like to call out another colleague by the name of Melanie Leland from Valley Coordinated Children's Services. So Dina, Lisa, Melanie, you're on.
Look at the dome that fell. Look at the dome.
All right, that's cold. That's cold.
Stop.
All right.
Stop.
Throwing in the towel. Thank you. And thank you to all the staff from here.
Look at Nancy too. Sit on the sub for a little bit. Wow.
Show's over, guys.
Patrick, did you sabotage that dome?
You're almost done.
Patrick knocked it down. I saw him.
Is that what he did? He went for it.
What did I knock down?
The UCLA no.
I think we got to
We got it on film.
There you go.
Oh my God, so funny.
Here you go, Patty. Just be careful.
The poor gnome is cold. Our gnome's not shivering.
Yes, he's fluffy.
Now your gnome shivers at game time. It's not game time.